Okay, so in LiveFarmer, I'm going to show you how we receive seeds into stock. So if I sign into LiveFarmer and I go into the farm activities and I choose my delivery option, and I've got a date and a supplier. So if I just pick my supplier from the list and I choose which property I'm receiving the seeds into, so into Pebworth, and now down below the products I can change my options to seeds and seedlings, and I'm going to be receiving baby spinach leaves, and in this particular case my variety is going to be Kodiak. Okay, so I can, if I've ordered 7 million seeds, I can put my 7 million into the system. Okay, and I can give it a net weight. So if I say it's 12 kgs, another way of dealing with it is by putting in, if I just delete the quantity, put in the net weight, and if I fill in the 1,000 seed weight in kgs, okay, and I put in my net weight of 40 kgs, it'll then calculate how many seeds that equates to. And if I put in a cost for that amount of seeds, it will then work out and give me a price per quantity, so a price for an individual seed. I can then book it into storage, so I'm putting in the Pebworth seed shed, and I just select my size type. So the size type is in seeds, and the pack type is in bags, and I can give a batch number off of the actual seed bag. And if I need to apply any seed treatment to it, I can. Otherwise, I just choose done, and I've filled in the details, and I just choose save, and it will give me a delivery docket for that. If I now go into my shed activities and have a look at my stock item inventory for seeds, it will show me on my baby spinach Kodiak that I've now got 2 batches in the system, with 2 different suppliers, and the amount of seeds I'm showing as individual batches. Okay, so that's all for seed inputs. Next we'll go on to allocating those seeds when we're planting.